What is up, YouTube? Back for another quick video on the 24 Raptor. Today we're going to be tinting these ugly ambers and putting on some new covers. All right, guys, so for anyone that used to follow my last Big Ben Sasquatch build, I put these on that one as well. I just do not like the look of these front side markers. Just throws off the vibe of the truck. So we got these ones off of Amazon. It's not tint film, they're actual covers, which I like. These are the same ones I believe that I had on the last vehicle. So I ordered another set and we're gonna stick these on. So it's a super quick, easy install. They were not expensive, about $20 or so. All you gotta do is get some isopropyl alcohol, clean all around the edges. We're gonna peel off the tape on this 3M backing. We're gonna stick them on and we're done. So let's stick them on and let's see how much better it looks.
Here we go.
All right, guys, and there you have it. Super quick install, only 5 minutes. Looks nice and clean, covers the whole reflector here. Not that film where you have to worry about bubbles and you only get the flat surface out here. It wraps around the whole thing. Looks super sleek, nice and dark, and it really adds to that look. So hopefully you guys like the video. Be sure to stay tuned for more Raptor content, and thanks for watching.